Hello everyone, it's Hannah here from Virtually Fluent. Welcome to today's video where we are going to be talking about household chores in English. Chores are tasks that you need to do, unfortunately, to keep your house nice and clean and tidy and organised. So we're going to learn the key vocabulary, the key chores that we often do around our house.
There's lots of laundry to do. We can sort the clothes, put on stain remover, and put the clothes in the washing machine. We can leave them to dry or use a dryer. We can iron the clothes on an ironing board. Then fold them up or hang them up on hangers. We can keep the house clean too. We can hoover with a vacuum cleaner. We can dust the ceiling, mop the floor with bleach, sweep the floor with a broom, wipe the surfaces with a detergent or cleaning spray. We can polish the wood and wash the windows. In the kitchen, we can wash the dishes with washing up liquid and a sponge. Then dry them with a tea towel. We could also load the dishwasher. We can cook meals, lay and clear the table. In the garden, we can do the gardening, water the flowers, rake the leaves, and mow the lawn. If you have animals, you can clean the cage, feed them, or take them on a walk. We can also take out the rubbish, make the bed, and check the post.
So hopefully you've learned lots of new vocabulary and phrases to talk about household chores in English. If you would like to support learning this vocabulary, you can check out our online course. I've left the link to that in the description below. I have also left the link to all of our social media channels. I'm across loads of different channels with loads of free content that I post daily, so definitely check those out. If you liked today's video or learnt something new, go ahead and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn those notifications on so you know exactly when I release a new video to really help you build your English vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, all aspects of the language. This is Hannah from Virtually Fluent, bringing English to life.